Hello everyone, my name is Brant Kedrowski. This organic chemistry video deals with an introduction to organic halides, alkyl halides, and how to classify them. Section 7-1 deals with an introduction to organic halides. Organic halides are compounds that have a carbon group bonded to a halogen. These include fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So first example is alkyl halides. Alkyl halides have a carbon group that's bonded to a halogen, and the carbon group here has sp3 hybridization. That's key for alkyl halides. Aryl halides have an aromatic ring bonded to a halogen, but their carbon is sp2 hybridized. And similarly, there's vinyl halides that have a halogen bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond, and again there the carbon's sp2 hybridized. So the key here is the hybridization of the atom that's bonded to the halogen. So alkyl halides behave quite differently than aryl and vinyl halides for that reason. So chapter 7 is going to focus on the alkyl halide, so that's going to be what is going to be discussed in the remainder of the chapter. Alkyl halides are classified according to substitution. So depending on how many carbon groups are attached to the carbon that's bonded to X, that will determine their classification. So methyl halides are one type, and methyl halides have the carbon that's attached to the halogen has 3 hydrogens. Going on to primary alkyl halides, they add a carbon group. So here R is a generic representation of a carbon group. So that's primary, is having one carbon group attached to the carbon that's bonded to the halogen. Then following along with that classification scheme, 2 carbon groups attached to the carbon that's bonded to the halogen, that's secondary alkyl halide. And tertiary is 3 carbon groups bonded to the carbon that's bonded to the halogen. So we've got methyl, primary, secondary, and tertiary. And here the key is find the carbon that's bonded to the halogen, the X group, and then count the number of carbon groups that are attached to it, and that defines the type of alkyl halide.